So how can a cheap air filter trash a mass airflow sensor? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Okay, first off, let's start with the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor, essentially this is a hot piece of wire or a wire mounted to a piece of film. Voltage runs through it. It gets hot. As the air traveling into the engine goes by it, it changes its resistive value because it's being cooled. So what happens when that wire becomes contaminated by either bits of the filter, contaminants that make it by the filter, or even oil or other stuff in the air? Well, it changes how that wire reacts to the air traveling by it. This can give erroneous readings for the grams per second that are being adjusted by the engine. It could kind of create a slow sensor that doesn't react at the right time and speed of the air that's traveling by it. So, with filters, you need to make sure that filter is decent quality. It can seal in the housing, and also the pleats and the glue that holds it together stay together for 10,000 miles or more. When they do fail, contaminants or even little bits of the fiber inside the filter can make it onto the mass airflow sensor. This is what causes an erroneous reading and sometimes even codes for the engine and rough running conditions. So make sure that you use a high quality filter that's going to stand up over time inside that air filter housing. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.